Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So first of all, you have to open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to click on the menu that is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your menu, you have to click on the settings icon that is present at the top right corner of your screen. On your settings, you have to scroll down towards the end until you see the blocking options. Over here, you have to select the person that you want to unblock. Once you have selected them, you have to click on the unblock that is written in front of their name. Now, you have to click on unblock. So now as you can see, by doing this, I have easily unblocked someone on Facebook. You do have to keep one thing in mind that if you unblock someone on Facebook, you cannot block them for 48 hours. After that timer is complete, only then can you block that person again. So everyone, that's all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.